Look at your daily habits and ask yourself if they cause you to evolve or revolve. Because the truth is, most people aren't stuck because they lack talent. They're stuck because they keep repeating the same routines, the same excuses, and the same patterns that keep them exactly where they are. I've learned over the years that success doesn't usually show up in giant breakthroughs. It's built in the small decisions you make every single day. The habits nobody sees, the discipline when no one's watching, the willingness to do what others avoid. Every day you're either moving closer to the life you want or circling the same place, hoping something changes. But hope alone doesn't build wealth. Hope doesn't create freedom. Action does. Commitment does. And the people who win in business understand something most people miss. Growth requires discomfort. It requires stepping outside of what feels safe, what feels familiar, and stepping into something with real potential. I know that because I've lived it. Entrepreneurship has never just been about making money for me. It's been about creating options, creating freedom, building something bigger than yourself. Because when you're trading your time for a paycheck, you're always starting over. But when you build residual income, when you create something that compounds over time, everything changes. Your income grows, your leverage grows, your options grow. And when you find the right vehicle, one that solves a real problem and creates real value, that's when momentum starts to work for you. That's exactly why TruPowur is different. We're not asking people to sell hype, chase trends, or gamble on the next big thing. We're helping residential and commercial customers save money on something they already use every single day: electricity and natural gas. It's real, it's practical, it's necessary. And in the process, our partners have the ability to build long term residual income while creating a business they actually own. Think about that. Instead of waking up every day to build somebody else's dream, you could be building your own. You could be creating income that keeps paying you month after month, year after year. And the best part, you're doing it by helping people save money. So if you're ready to reinvent your future and build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, then this may be exactly what you've been looking for. But understand this isn't for people who are just curious, uncommitted, or simply looking to give it a try. This is for the ones who are serious, serious about changing their life, changing their income, and taking full control of their future. If you're tired of settling for less and ready to step into something bigger, it's time to make your move. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.